Welcome to the DDMRP video series from Open Source Integrators. We're here to discuss the third step in the planning process, which is purchasing. And with me here is Max, and he can tell you a little bit more about the purchasing process.
Sure, Wolfgang. I'm Maxime Chambroy, architect at Open Source Integrators. And today I'm going to show you how the buying team will be using the color-coded systems to manage their priority within the purchase orders and quotations, and whether they need to rush out and call the suppliers. Let me show you how it works.
So, based on the procurement team, there should be PO created in the purchase app here. And if the buyers go to the purchase PO line on hand status here, they can see for each product what is their on-hand position. And the lines are sorted by the percentage of this on-hand position within the buffer. So the more critical items are on the top, and that's the one they should work on and expedite and make sure to call the suppliers to make sure that the items arrives on time and so on. So they can from here go to the directly to each of the PO and follow up with the suppliers. This dashboard here provide them with their to-do activity, so they can really go and focus on the most critical item that's really required by the company.
Max, thanks for the presentation. I hope this was helpful for the audience to see the third step of DDMRP, Demand-Driven Requirements Planning in Odoo. And this was the purchasing part. Now, the last video that we have for you that you can also look up on our website is about production. So please feel free to seek us out on opensourceintegrators.com and just search for DDMRP and production. Thank you.